Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty holding a Valentine's Day heart. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw a large heart shape. Now on the sides, let's draw the hands by drawing a curve on the left and on the right. Now inside the heart, let's draw the words "Be Mine." Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw the face. On top in the center, let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Then let's hop out and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop up on the top right and let's draw the hearts on the head. Let's start with a sideways heart, like this. And then we're going to draw a larger one behind it on top. Now let's hop back down and let's draw the sides of the head. Underneath the hearts, let's draw a curve down and in. And then a curve on the left for the other side. Next, let's hop up to the top and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. And now let's add the ears. From the top left, let's draw a curve up and then curve it down. And then two curves on top of the hearts on the top right for the other ear. Lastly, on both cheeks, let's draw three curves for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath each of the hands and let's draw a curve down for the skirt. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve along the bottom side. And then some curved lines coming from the top. Now let's hop down underneath and let's add the legs. Let's start with two lines down in the center, curving it out slightly at the bottom. Now let's hop to the outsides and let's draw a line down and curve it in at the bottom. And then close off the bottom of each leg. And that's it for Valentine's Day Heart Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!